It looks, it should be there. I feel like it should be there, but it's not there. I don't know what's going on. Is A Basin draining the pond? I didn't want to hit the rocks. See, good thing I didn't leave. That was a much better run. Our last day at A Basin. No! This is always a sad day, and it's even a little bit more sad this day. It's like bittersweet because this is the first year in 6 years that I will miss closing day A Basin. They close on the 6th. I leave tomorrow, which is the 3rd. I don't know when you guys are watching this, but I'm going to Timberline. I'm going to Oregon. I mean, I'm going to another ski resort. I still get to ride chairlifts, which is sick. But normally when A Basin closes, that means to me, not that, well, it used to mean the season was over and I'd stop snowboarding for the rest of the year, but now that I have the vlog and the channel, I make these videos, it means that I gotta go work my butt off for snow. We gotta hike to stuff, we gotta drive to stuff, we gotta build stuff. It's really fun. It causes me to be very creative, and a lot of people, especially like Team Buckhouse, you know, the legit ones, go, I like the summer content more because it forces you to be more creative, which is awesome. But then it makes me feel bad because I feel like I kill it in the winter. But anyways, we're gonna enjoy this last day. I'm also solo last day, which is kind of lame, but it's kind of good too because I need to hit it hard and then get out of here and go pack for snowboard camp and get all the custom stickers for all the campers done. I gotta get all the, it's a lot. We gotta do a lot. Obviously I gotta spend some time with Bobby and Roman because I'm gonna miss them. Over 2 weeks. I'm gonna be leaving my very pregnant wife. Looking back in hindsight, I don't know if that was the move. But also we didn't want to leave the newborn baby in like, in life, I don't think there's ever like the perfect decision. You just got to make decisions and go with the flow and how it handles it. Life is like this. All right, life lesson over with, channel, killing it. And now let's jump into it. It took me a second to find the end.
Intoxicated, we're automated and overpopulated. We're all fish in a stream, swimming towards a vicious dream. Don't you know we're the walking dead? Our lives were meant to be this bleak.
I'm actually shocked that the park is still here. They've been farming so much to make it through the weekend. So I just had this funny thought. So when I lived in Colorado Springs, when I first started snowboarding, I would drive up here and then sleep in my car and then go snowboard the next day. I just tried to get as many days on snow as I possibly could. I was doing anything possible. But because I was young, I was 18, and kind of just like didn't really have control of my emotions and stuff like that, sometimes I'd come out and I wouldn't have like the sickest first run. I might taco a rail, or so it's like trying to learn how to ride park and stuff. I'd get bodied or something would happen. I'd be so mad, and literally I drove 2.5 hours up here, slept in my car. I'd get so mad that I would leave, and I'd only do one run. So comment down below. Are you guilty of like getting so frustrated with snowboarding that you just left? You're like caught an edge and you're not hurt, like mad about it, or just frustrated and you just left. I want to know. Comment down below. Because sitting on this chair, I remembered that like the couple times I did it, because like I didn't have the sickest run in the park, and it's frustrating. But I'm holding the camera, my balance is all off. Like I haven't snowboarded in 4 days. Like first run's not gonna be the sickest. I would never leave now because of that. One, I got a video to make. Two, I definitely have more control of my emotions than I did when I was younger. And I know it's just funny. I've been snowboarding so much and so long, 11 years, that I've just gone through so many growing stages and pains and stuff, and you almost forget the learning stage. It's crazy that is. I don't even remember really like catching toe edges, learning how to S-turn and stuff. I just like kind of always known I could snowboard. I don't know, it's crazy. Good thing I didn't leave. That was a much better run. Guys, I don't think the pond's showing up this year at all. This is the first year I have not seen any snow or any water in the pond, which is crazy to me because, like, I just don't get it. I don't know why there's no pond, because where it looks, it should be there. I feel like it should be there, but it's not there. I don't know what's going on. Anyways, last year we finally got confident on the pond skim and we were killing it. So here's a clip of us ripping the pond skim. I was honestly ready to do like even better this year, but just gonna have to wait. Unclicking my front binding on the chairlift because my foot would go numb if I don't. Forgot to click it back in. So I was loose that whole time. Ugh, sketchy. You know what else is sketchy? Today's sticker shout out. We got Mike Low 49 with the electric sticker on the helmet. Looking insane, man. Thank you so much for snagging a sticker. As well as we got Riding Waves New York with the warmest merch in the game on. Looking good, man. Looking fresh. It is the warmest merch in the game. I'm rocking underneath this windbreaker and I'm dying out here. It's so hot. But guys, thank you so much for snagging Evolution merch, especially the stickers. Guys, if you want any of the merch, the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, like Riding Waves, it's all linked in the description. If you do snag any of the stickers or the hoodies or shirts or cups or mugs or pillows, whatever you get, just make sure you tag me on my Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs just like I did there. But also follow the Instagram for bonus content. I'm headed to camp and you're just gonna see a lot of bonus extra content, behind the scenes stuff with the campers by following my Instagram. So follow the Instagram so you miss out on the camp stuff. And overall, thank you to everyone that snagged merch. You guys are still snagging merch. You guys are incredible. I can't do this for a living without you. And I'm just happy that you guys find value in my videos, think my logo is sick, and overall, we're out here. Cool. That plug was short, simple. I gotta pay the bill somehow. And yeah, we got some more runs in us. I hope you guys are enjoying this video because I'm enjoying filming it. Now I kind of want to start a conspiracy because I have no idea why there's no water in here, because normally that's full of water. Normally that's the edge that you walk out on. So like, why didn't this fill up with water? Did it drain? Is A Basin draining the pond? All I know is I kind of went into a hole. Now I gotta walk out of here. That was a mistake for you guys. But like, why is there no pond skim? I don't understand. I've never not seen it fill up with water. Hopefully closing day has some water in there. Alright guys, sadly this one's Chipmunk, A Basin. It was a 6th season. We're gonna crush this run. But then we gotta go get ready for camp. Snowboard camp's gonna be dope. I'm so excited. Here we go. One year, A Basin had so much extra snow that they turned this section right here into a hike park. It was so sick and insane. If you missed that video, check it out. I hope they do it another time. It's just hard because they didn't have snow the last couple years too. I don't think they're gonna have snow this year, but it was sick. You're just like hiking rails from there down. So sick. So they farmed this bottom section, so it's 100% the white ribbon of death. Let's go. Like honestly, I'm not even sad that this is my last day at A Basin because we're moving on to bigger and better things. Like, dude, Timberline has so much open. Their park is gonna be incredible. Like, Hood's gonna be so sick. And then when we come back, we're gonna still be snowboarding. Like, there's still so much snowboarding left in the season. So one, if you're new to this channel, subscribe because I'm gonna show you guys how to snowboard all year round. But also, everyone that did subscribe, like, keep watching. It's gonna be sick. I'm really excited to show you guys some cool stuff here in Colorado, but also everywhere. Snagged myself a bike rack, by the way, because we made a bike video. If you have not seen the mountain bike, I'm gonna say playlist, not just the video. We did make a mountain bike video the other day, but we got a mountain bike playlist. A bunch of you guys want me to mountain bike. I'm not the best at it, but just like the whole point of this channel, getting better. I'm working on getting better at mountain biking, but I'm playing it so safe because your boy cannot get broke off on a bike and ruin this. You know what I'm saying? This is my bread and butter. But do you know what bread and butter makes me think of? Today, I'm joking. I don't know what bread and butter makes me think of, but I do know that I'm gonna be posting the camp videos to date. So we'll go ride with the campers and then the next day that video from the previous day post. So it's gonna be the most up to date because I enjoy watching the vlogs with the campers at camp. I really wanted an editor to be out at camp with me, but that just did not work out, sadly. So your boy ain't gonna be sleeping much with camp. It's grind time though, and then going into the year 3 of doing camp, we will have an editor out there with me to like help with the edit. I'll finalize the edit. But anyways, with that being said, I have a bunch of other videos that I filmed that are gonna post all around in different weird spots and things like that. So just be ready for after camp there to be some ups and downs and stuff like that. And then when I get back from camp, my daughter's gonna be born within like 2 weeks. You know what I'm saying? Like, I get back on the 19th and then she's due the 5th. So hopefully she's on time, but she could be a little early, she could be a little late. So I don't know when the baby's coming, but when the baby comes, I have a bunch of videos that I've uploaded that I'm gonna post once the baby shows up and take like 2 weeks off, like take a paternity leave. When the baby shows up, I'm still gonna be posting daily content because I think that's important. I've been doing it for 3 years straight, and I want to still be able to say, I want to say like 6 years straight I've been posting every day. I don't know, I like posting daily. So I have a bunch of videos that are not normal vlogs, but they're still sick snowboard videos, so still watch them. Those will be posting once the baby shows up, and I'll give you guys an update. Like, one video might literally just be like, yo, the baby's here, and then we'll go from there. And I still want to go live one day each of those weeks. So yeah, super stoked on the baby. But with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with me today. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button. As always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. Should be a Timberline video? I don't know. We post daily.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody. No cliffhanger, yes I so.
Oh, so much snow went down my pants.